I'm gonna add a little more pepper to eat this. I'm melting a tablespoon of butter with a tablespoon of olive oil in this skillet. I'm gonna add 2 garlic cloves. We'll cook that for a minute until we can smell it. We're gonna work on medium heat. I'm going to add a cup of corn kernels to this. You can use thawed frozen corn. So we're just gonna cook this for a few minutes. I'm going to add half a pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. I'm going to add a little lemon zest. I'm gonna juice half of that lemon. You can use whatever pasta you want for this recipe. I'm using some little spirals called gemelli. You're going to cook half a pound or 8 ounces or 125 grams of dry pasta. You're going to drain it, but first you're going to separate half a cup of the liquid, the cooked pasta. I'm going to add that half cup I've told you of reserve liquid. And about a cup of chopped spinach. A couple tablespoons of chopped parsley, salt and pepper. And let's call it a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese. All right, we're gonna mix that in. Cook it for a couple minutes, turn off the heat, and our dinner's ready.